Hey, what is up guys? John here at TEMU. Welcome to the channel. Today, I've got something different, but it's kind of the same. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Soundpeats Air 3 Deluxe HS. So now in this video, we'll unbox these. We'll see what we get inside. We'll check out the build quality. We'll check out some of the features and specs. And more importantly, we'll check out the fit and sound, and I'll let you know what I think of them. All right, so before we get started, let's take a look at the box. This is the box they come in. We've got Soundpeats branding up top. We've got the Air 3 Deluxe HS down at the bottom here. We've got this dude right in the middle wearing the earbuds front and center. On the side here, we've got a picture of the case. Now this is the white version. This comes in three colorways. We've got white, there's a black, and then there's a pink. So on this side, we've got a picture of the earbuds and Soundpeats saying, "Hear your imagination." And on the back side here, we've got a picture of the earbuds front and center, Soundpeats branding up top. We've got high-res audio with LDAC. And some of the features of the earbuds is that they've got 14.2 millimeter drivers, up to 20 hours of playtime, and dual mics for noise cancellation. All right, so let's open these up and see what we get inside. Packaging is nice, by the way. Soundpeats always has their packaging on point. Right out the gate, we've got some documentation. Looks like it's a quick startup guide. Put that on the side. We've got the buds right there, front and center. Take a look at that in a little bit. We'll see what else we get in the box. More documentation. This is a user manual. And we've got the charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. And this has a partial in-ear design, so there's no tips. Normally those rubber tips would come in on this side. All right, so we've got this, it's like a chalk white color, and it is in a matte finish. We've got a button here in the front, and that's probably most likely for pairing or to switch to another device. And we've got the USB-C port on the bottom here. And then we've got Soundpeats on the hinge, a copper hinge, very nice touch. That looks clean. And then those are the earbuds, guys. Very nice. Again, more copper hits. This case got a nice snap to it. And while we have the case in hand, let's do a shake test real quick. All right, I would say that passes. Very nice. So let's take out the earbuds. So again, we've got a nice Soundpeats branding on the earbuds there in copper hit. We've got the charging pins on the bottom here. We've got your left and right branding. Very cool. These look very premium, guys. These feel really nice in hand. The only thing is that these are the partial in-ear design, so it's at the mercy of your ears if it's gonna fit correctly or not. But yeah, these look awesome. It's again, it's made out of a hard plastic with a matte white finish, just like the case here. So again, the case is a slim design, so no problems if you are rocking slim jeans or skinny jeans. Shouldn't have a problem holding these in your pocket. Very cool. Again, I like that snap. All right, guys, so let's pair this with my phone real quick. So go into your Bluetooth settings. Actually, bring this up, press that button, you'll get into pairing mode. Start flashing. And you'll hear it says pairing. There it goes, it popped up. Hit connect. And you are paired, guys. Got 80%, and it says LDAC there on the side. And now anytime you want to use these, all you got to do is put them in your ear and they will automatically connect. So let's see how these fit. Now these are the partial in-ear design or partial in-ear canal. So sometimes these aren't the best fit for people, so you're going to want to test them out and see how they fit for you. And if they don't work, you'll have to find another pair. But fortunately for me, they fit pretty good. They're just like the Air 4s that I tried out not too long ago. And that is how they look, guys. So let's see how they sound. We'll listen to some Pac. If you guys know this song, this has a dope beat, a super dope beat, and it's got some bass. And these earbuds sound real good. They sound real good. Vocals are clear. Bass is just enough so that you can feel it, even though it's not like a tip or an in-ear canal tip design. A lot of times that design is a lot more bass heavy, but these are clean, guys. Now Soundpeats didn't send these ones out to me. I actually bought these. I bought these last summer. I'm just now getting around to unboxing them and trying them out. But yeah, these are clean, guys. Yeah. And these are right around 40 bucks, and they're not gonna break the bank if you decide to pick these up. They can be either your primary earbuds or your secondary. And if you're out and about, you know, if something does happen to them, it won't hurt as much compared to like some AirPod Pros that are run like 200 plus. Yeah, these sound good, guys. I like these. Just go over some of the specs real quick. So again, these are the Soundpeats Air 3 Deluxe HS with LDAC. They are semi-in-ear design. They fit me great, guys. So hopefully if you do decide to pick these up, these will fit you great as well. We've got high-res audio, and these also connect to Soundpeats app where you can personalize your EQ settings, which is really cool. Normally don't see that in earbuds in this price range, so that is really nice. So these do have in-ear detection, guys. So if you take them out of your ear, the music will pause, put them back in, they will start to play, which is cool. Again, these got 14.2 millimeter drivers, so a lot of bass. As far as battery life goes, guys, with each charge you get 5 hours of playtime, and then the case offers an additional 15 hours of playtime. And guys, I didn't even see this at first. These also have a low latency game mode, which I appreciate because I do play games on my mobile phones. So that is really cool. But yeah, guys, for 40 bucks, you do get a lot of features. Unfortunately, there is no active noise cancellation, but that's all right. For this price point, it's okay to be missing some of the features. All right, guys, so some final thoughts. Again, for right around 40 bucks, you're getting 20 hours of playtime, you're getting LDAC support, you're getting low latency game mode, a lot of cool features that are only found in more expensive earbuds. So for right around 40 bucks, I think these are a solid pickup. So if you guys are interested in the earbuds, I will put a link in the description. And if you found this video helpful or you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at TEMU. I'll see you in the next one.